one of my favorite descriptions is from one of my favorite teachers, Adyashanti. He says, just allow everything to be as it is, right? Just
Mm-hmm.
allow. That's like that's probably the most simple way I've heard meditation put. Just allow everything to be as it is,
Mm-hmm.
and it's much
Mm-hmm.
more of a, I find, a realization of that, because you like the little me can't allow everything to be as it is, because it'll take a simple instruction like that, be like, well, how do I
Yeah.
do that? But it's like,
Right.
the caveat is everything's already being as it is. So it's just an observation
Right.
of that, just a seeing, and then
Yeah.
things move. Then things move on their own. They move naturally, right?
Exactly. Exactly. And so what you were just saying made me think of like in meditation, you're going to become very aware of what you're resisting and what you're repressing. So and that's the gold. That is the gold, is to become more aware of all the things you're resisting and all the things you're repressing. And so yeah, it's that's the gold.
Yeah. Yeah, because once you see it, that's when you get clear on it, and that's when you're able to start to understand it at a deep level, and stop
Mm-hmm.
condemning it, and stop, judging yourself,
Mm-hmm.
and just be like, okay, this is here. It wants to be seen. It wants has something, a message for me. And a lot of times I've found that once
Yes.
I understand the message, like once I see and able to ask and see, okay, what do you want me to see, so that you can be released, because it wants to be
Right.
released, right? It's like
A
the
hundred
scary, it's like
percent.
the
Right.
shadow self, right? And
Mm-hmm.
once it's able to be released and once it's understood, then that's when like the visceral aha happens, instead of just
Mm-hmm.
conceptually like, I know. That's when you're able to actually drop a habit or an addiction or some sort of reactive pattern,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because
Mm-hmm.
it's
Yeah.
understood finally, it's seen clearly, because it's allowed to come up.
Right. Right. Yeah, and in meditation too, um, like if we're just here talking like we're talking, we're not we're not feeling the things that we're talking about as deeply as we can in meditation. So when you start to see that you're resisting this certain thing, then you're in this state, this deeper state where the feelings will start to come up, and that's really what you want to come up, so that you can heal it, so that it's seen and it's released, and then it dissolves. So yeah, these concepts of like the thought form of these things come up, but really what you want to focus on and what you want to let come up is the feelings, and to see and let those process.